Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create an email folder in the Outlook mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on your Microsoft Outlook app to open it. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin organizing your messages into custom folders. Now, here's where the process gets interesting. To create a new email folder in Outlook Mobile, you'll need to navigate to your inbox and select any sample email by tapping on it. This is just a temporary selection to access the folder creation feature, so don't worry about which email you choose. When you tap on an email, you'll notice that additional inbox options appear at the top right part of your screen. Look for the three-dot icon and tap on it to reveal a menu of actions you can take with this email. From the menu that appears, select Move to Folder. This action will redirect you to the Move Conversation page, where you'll see several existing folders listed. These are your current email folders, but we're about to add a brand new one to help you organize your messages even better. Now, pay close attention to the top right part of this menu. You'll see a folder icon with a plus sign on it. This is the key to creating your new folder. Go ahead and tap on that icon, and a new folder field will immediately appear on your screen. This field allows you to create a completely new folder right within your inbox, giving you more control over how you organize your emails. In the new folder field that appeared, simply enter a name for your folder. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for the types of emails you'll be storing there, whether it's project-related, personal, work categories, or anything else that helps you stay organized. After you've entered your folder name, tap on Create and Move. This action will both create your new folder and move the selected email into it in one smooth step. And just like that, your new folder has been created and is now ready to use. You can now easily organize your emails by moving them into this folder whenever you need to, helping you keep your inbox clean and well structured. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.